yes, the sad fact is that post elections, that's going to be a major drama unfolding where all the regions are going to ask for a capital, and it's going to cause even more chaos and even more ill will and bad blood flowing between the regions. Like I said, this whole division process is just made brother against brother, and the division and features are going to be quite deep for some time. Eventually, everything heals, but once that becomes, is going to be another major drama unfolding, which is going to maybe make it even worse than just the division of those two states. Rayalaseema wants one capital, maybe Kurnool, Vizag wants extreme end. In between, you have Vijayawada and Guntur, them asking for one more. You have Ongole asking for one more. But maybe it's good. The best way win. మా కాన్స్టిట్యున్సీలో పిల్లలు బుక్స్ పంచుతాం 7 నోట్ బుక్లు. చాలామందికి ఏంటి 7 నోట్ బుక్లు అనుకోవచ్చేమో, కానీ పల్లెల్లో మీరు వెళ్తే నోట్ బుక్లు కొనే స్థితిలో కూడా ఉండరు చాలామంది.